welcome back to my channel Biology Planet. Today we will do discussion of the topic the chloroplast. आज हम chloroplast के बारे में डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. Chloroplast, it is generally present. It is a type of plastic which is present in all the green plants, right? And firstly, it was discovered by Sir Anton von Leeuwenhoek. Firstly, it was discovered by Sir Anton von Leeuwenhoek. अगर हम क्लोरोप्लास्ट के स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में बात करें तो क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज फाउंड इन डिफरेंट शेप्स, राइट? एंड द नंबर ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट ऑल्सो वेरीज. तो सबसे पहले हम नंबर्स देख लेते हैं, हाउ द नंबर ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट वेरीज. सी, नंबर्स की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो जनरली one chloroplast is found in each cell, in each plant cell, right? One chloroplast in each cell, in each plant cell, just like chlorella and Chlamydomonas. Here these are the microscopic algae, chlorella and Chlamydomonas. Here only one chloroplast is found, right? And the number of chloroplast can be 1 to 16. It can be 1 to 16 in Spirogyra. It is also a type of algae in which the number of chloroplast can be 1 to 16, right? And the number of chloroplast can be 20 to 40 in higher green plants. In higher green plants, it can be 20 to 40, and the number of chloroplast can be more than 500. It can be more than 500 in Chara. Mostly in the internodal cells of Chara, or internodal part of the Chara. Chara is also a type of algae in which the number of chloroplast may vary, or it can be more than 500. So this is how we have seen that the number of chloroplast varies from plant to plant, right? Means there is mainly one chloroplast is found in each plant cell. Plant ही लिख देते हैं क्योंकि क्लोरोप्लास्ट जो है सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्लांट सेल में ही पाए जाते हैं. These are not found in the animal cell, and the examples are chlorella and Chlamydomonas. And it can be 1 to 16 also in the Spirogyra. It can be 20 to 40 in higher green plants, in the leaves of higher green plants. It can be 500 or more than 500 in the Chara, in the internodal cells of Chara. अब हम अगर shapes की बात करें तो in different plants the shape of chloroplast also varies. Different plants में chloroplast का shape भी different होता है, in which the first type of shape is known as cupped shape or cup shaped. Right. Second one is girdle shaped. Girdle shaped. Third one is spiral or ribbon-like shape. A spiral or ribbon shaped. And fourth one is the regular oval shape. Oval shape. So here the cup-shaped chloroplast is found in chlorella and Chlamydomonas. तो अगर हम इसका स्ट्रक्चर बनाएं, अगर हम बना रहे हैं तो इट इज जस्ट लाइक अ वाटर ड्रॉप. कुछ वाटर ड्रॉप के जैसा होता है इसका स्ट्रक्चर. Here the chloroplast is found just like this. Here the chloroplast, the structure of chloroplast is found just like this. और इसमें बहुत सारे green pigments होते हैं. So this is the chloroplast, right? And अगर हम girdle shape की बात करें तो girdle shaped chloroplast is found in Ulothrix. It is found in Ulothrix. Girdle shaped chloroplast is found in Ulothrix. It is found in Ulothrix. अगर Ulothrix का डायग्राम देखें तो it is just like this. This lowermost part of the Ulothrix is known as holdfast, which is attached with the substratum, and just above this number of cells are attached just like this. And here this will be found just like the girdle, कुछ इस तरीके से होता है. It is just like girdle, कुछ इस तरीके से, means it is forming just like this structure. Girdle जैसा structure बनाता है. And this chloroplast is found in each of the cell except holdfast. होल्डफास्ट में क्लोरोप्लास्ट नहीं होता है, बट इन रेस्ट ऑफ द सेल्स ऑफ यूरोथ्रिक्स क्लोरोप्लास्ट इज फाउंड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ girdle या फिर in the shape of girdle, right? Here the next one is spiral or ribbon shaped. There is another alga named Spirogyra. Suppose this is the one cell of Spirogyra. So here the chloroplast will be found just like this. It will be just like this. So here you can see that chloroplast is in the shape of ribbon or in the spiral shape. So this is the one cell of Spirogyra, which is also known as pond silk. So here you can see that chloroplast is spiral or ribbon shaped, right? So spiral or ribbon shaped chloroplast is found in the Spirogyra, and the number may vary from 1 to 16, right? And next one is that is oval shape. This is the most common type of chloroplast which is found in all the higher plants, in the leaves of all the higher plants. This oval shaped chloroplast is found. Okay, so this is how we have seen the shapes of the chloroplast. Now we are going to see the detailed structure of the most common type of chloroplast. Okay. Now we are going to draw the most common structure of chloroplast, that is the oval shaped. तो अगर हम इसको बनाएंगे तो it will look just like this. It is oval shaped structure which is double membrane. Which is double membranous, or these double membranes are made up of unit membrane. इनको हम unit membrane भी कह सकते हैं, because these are also made up of phospholipid and proteins, in which this outer membrane is known as outer membrane, right? It is also made up of protein and phospholipid, and it is permeable. It is permeable, while this inner membrane, which is also made up of the protein and phospholipid, but the amount of protein is more here, right? That is why it is semi-permeable, right? Inner membrane, right? It is semi-permeable in nature. Permeable in nature, and inside this oval structure, there is a fluid or jelly-like fluid is present, which is known as stroma, जिसको हम स्ट्रोमा कहते हैं. And in this stroma, number of enzymes are present which are required for photosynthesis, as well as the divalent bonds are also present, just like ferrous, manganese and magnesium ion. These are divalent ions which are also present in this stroma. And in this stroma, you can see the disc-like structures are found. Here, this inner membrane is, अब यहाँ पर ये folded नहीं है, it is not infolded, but there some structures are attached with this. These plate-like structures are attached with this, and these structures are attached with the disc-like structures also. These disc-like structures may be attached with another disc-like structures, just like this, just like this. So this part means here you will see this stalk-like structure is also known as lamellae or lamella. This is also known as lamella or lamellae. Then here this one disc-like structure, is known as thylakoid. This is known as thylakoid, and here you can see the group of thylakoid, in which one thylakoid is found just above the another thylakoid. This complete structure and या फिर हम ये भी कह सकते हैं the cluster of thylakoid it is known as grana. It is known as grana. ठीक है? And inside this thylakoid which is known as chlorophyll, and this is the complete structure of chloroplast. बहुत simple structure है, आपको तो तुरंत से ही आ जाएगा. So you can see that it is a double membranous structure in which the outermost membrane is permeable in nature and inner membrane is semi-permeable in nature. And from the inner membrane you can see that lamella are attached or lamellae are attached, and these lamella are further attached with the disc-like structures which are known as thylakoid, and the bunch of thylakoid or the cluster of thylakoid is also known as grana. Inside the thylakoids, the green pigment, that is chlorophyll, is found. And here two types of reaction are found, in which the light reaction takes place in the grana, while the dark reaction takes place in the stroma. Right, means here two types of reactions are. photosynthesis दो स्टेप में कंप्लीट होती है, लाइट रिएक्शन और डार्क रिएक्शन में. तो इन विच लाइट रिएक्शन ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस टेक्स प्लेस इन द thylakoid or the grana, while the dark reaction of photosynthesis takes place in the stroma. Okay, and इसको अगर हम इस क्लोरोफिल का भी स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा सा मींस thylakoid का स्ट्रक्चर भी थोड़ा डिटेल में बनाते हैं, तो इट इज ऑल्सो डबल मेम्ब्रेनस स्ट्रक्चर. Again, this is a double membranous structure, just like this. Just like this. And in this part, you can see that all this part is attached with, or this part is in contact with the stroma, while this part is not in contact with the stroma. So here inside this, green pigments are found, which are known as chlorophyll, but actually these chlorophyll or the green pigments are found in the form of clusters, right? So this is known as quantosome. इसको हम quantosome कहते हैं. Quantosome is the cluster of number of green pigments. Actually inside this thylakoid not only chlorophyll is found, there is number of pigments are found which absorb the sunlight, right? So these are the pigments, few pigments just like chlorophyll, it can be chlorophyll A, B, C, D, right? And xanthophyll, carotenoid, phycobilin, So these are the mainly pigments, green pigments, which are found in the form of clusters, and these clusters are known as quantosome. Right? तो हम ये भी कह सकते हैं that inside this thylakoid, the pigments are present in the form of clusters, जिनको हम कहते हैं quantosome. And कौन-कौन से यहाँ पर pigments होते हैं? These are chlorophyll, phycobilin, xanthophyll and carotenoid. ठीक है? तो these are the certain pigments which are found inside this. And here the one more thing I need to tell you, मैं बता दे रही हूँ. Otherwise these things you will study in next topic, that is photosynthesis. Here photosynthetic system 1 and 2, they both are found. They both are found in this thylakoid. दोनों ही इस thylakoid में होते हैं. And here you can see that this part of thylakoid is not attached, means not in contact with the stroma. इसके चारों तरफ here means I have taken the two discs. So here the stroma is present all around, but this part is not in contact with the stroma. This part is known as appraised part. This part is known as appraised part. While the part which is in contact with the stroma, that is known as non-appraised part. Here we see the structure of chloroplast, in which it is bounded by a double membranous structure, and the outer membrane which is permeable and the inner membrane which is semi-permeable. Inside this membrane we can see that a jelly-like fluid is present, which is known as a stroma, and in this stroma we can see that disc-like structures are present, which are known as thylakoid, and the cluster of thylakoids are known as grana, and here these grana are also attached ल्यूमेन कहते हैं. And in this stroma of the chloroplast, the circular DNA is also found. The circular DNA and ribosomes are also found. Ribosomes are also found. This circular DNA is actually help in the cytoplasmic inheritance, and this ribosome, it is of 70S type. 70S type of ribosome is found in the chloroplast. So these are the these are the structure which are found inside the chloroplast. So these are the main functions of, there are some functions of chloroplast also. The first one or the main function of chloroplast is, it is also known as the kitchen of the cell. Kitchen में क्या होता है? खाना पकाना होता है, ठीक है. So here the process of photosynthesis takes place here, means this part, this chloroplast takes part in the process of photosynthesis. So that is why this is also known as the kitchen of the cell. The second one is that it takes part in cytoplasmic inheritance. As we have seen that there is a circular DNA is also found in the chloroplast. That is why it also takes place in the cytoplasmic inheritance. And the last one is, it also provides green color to the leaves. The green color which we can see in the leaves and the stem, it is just because of the green pigment, and green pigment is present inside the chloroplast. So we can say that this chloroplast, it provides the green color to the leaves and the stem of the plants. So these are the certain functions that we have seen here. And if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.